Number systems, complements of numbers. Complements. It is used in digital computers to simplify the subtraction operation and for logical manipulation. It leads to simpler, less expensive circuits to implement the operations. There are two types of complements for each base R system: radix or R's complement, diminished radix or R-1's complement, 2's complement and 1's complement for binary numbers, 10's complement and 9's complement for decimal numbers. Diminished radix complement for decimal. Given a number n in base R having n digits, the R-1's complement of n, that is, its diminished radix complement, is defined as R power n minus 1 minus n. For decimal numbers, R equals 10 and R minus 1 equals 9. So the 9's complement of n is 10 power n minus 1 minus n. 10 power n represents a number that consists of a single one followed by n zeros. 10 power n minus 1 is a number represented by n nines. For example, if n equals 4, 10 power 4 equals 10,000 and 10 power 4 minus 1 equals 9999. Diminished radix complement for binary. For binary numbers, r equals 2 and r minus 1 equals 1. So the 1's complement of n is 2 power n minus 1 minus n. Again, 2 power n is represented by a binary number that consists of a 1 followed by n zeros. 2 power n minus 1 is a binary number represented by n ones. For example, if n equals 4, 24 equals 10000 to the base 2 and 24 minus 1 equals 1111 base 2. Hence, one's complement of a binary number is formed by changing ones to zeros and zeros to ones. The r-1's complement of octal or hexadecimal numbers is obtained by subtracting each digit from 7 or f, respectively. Radix complement. The r's complement of an n-digit number n in base r is defined as r power n minus n for n not equal 0 and as 0 for n equals 0. Comparing with the r-1's complement, the r's complement is obtained by adding 1 to the r-1's complement, since r power n minus n equals r power n minus 1 minus n plus 1. 10's complement of decimal 2389 is 7610 plus 1 equals 7611 and is obtained by adding 1 to the 9's complement value. 2's complement of binary 101100 is 010011 plus 1 equals 010100 and is obtained by adding 1 to the 1's complement value. Complement of the complement restores the number to its original value. R's complement of n is r power n minus n. Complement of the complement is r power n minus r power n minus n equals n and is equal to the original number n. Subtraction with complements. The subtraction of two n-digit unsigned numbers m and n in base r can be done as follows. Add the minuend m to the r's complement of the subtracand n. If m greater than or equals n, sum will produce an n carry r power n, which can be discarded. What is left is the result m minus n. If m less than or equals n, the sum does not produce an n carry and is equal to r power n minus of n minus m, which is the r's complement of n minus m. Then take r's complement of the sum and place a negative sign in front. Decimal subtraction using tens complement. Note that m has 5 digits and n has only 4 digits. Both numbers must have the same number of digits. So we write n as 03250. Taking the tens complement of n produces a 9 in the most significant position. The occurrence of the n carry signifies that m greater than or equals n and that the result is therefore positive. Here there is no n carry. Therefore the answer is minus tens complement of 30718 equals minus 69282. Binary subtraction using 2's complements. It is same as what we seen before.